So this is my fridge. Let's see. Butter. Kitten food for that little retard right there. More butter. House vinaigrette. Caesar. Arby sauce. Horsey sauce, whatever you want to call it. And then we have light mayonnaise, ketchup, Miracle Whip light mayonnaise, mustard, lemon juice, flax oil. I don't even, ugh, this stuff is disgusting. Jerk seasoning. Oh, it's so good. Hot sauce, Parmesan cheese, olives. I do not like olives. This stuff, Mom made me try it last night. Apricot and white cherry. It's delicious. Mango chutney and blackberry. Those are all jams. And I have maple syrup, bacon chunks, and then salad dressings. That's my favorite. Sweet Vidalia. Zesty Italian. Sesame ginger. That stuff's amazing. Catalina. And then raspberry, walnut, and here's my water drawer that my mom took over. Kahlua. Plum sauce. Oh my god, you have to try it. Cilantro cooking base. Chili paste. Vitamin water. That's all I had in the store. What the hell? Walmart, for God's sakes. Sour paste. Chili paste. Shrimp paste. I don't know what that is. I don't feel like pulling it out. Oyster flavored sauce. Carrots. Lemons. Cucumbers, tomatoes, mushrooms, lettuce, cabbage, sweet peas, corn. I don't know what that is. Grapes, halva. I hate this stuff. It's not mine. It's my mom's. Lemongrass. Dan Active things. Some leftover Thai food. Here's my drawer. Cheese sticks. For sure. Cream cheese, enough of that cheese. Some Japanese noodles, different packages you fry up. And dessert. I don't know, but it's delicious. Eggs, some applesauce, strawberry flavored. I just had one that's peach mango. It was really good. Some type of fish, garlic, I don't know what that is, breakfast bread, raisin bread, and pumpernickel bread, cottage cheese, walnuts, dried plums, some milk, coffee, dark roast, yeah. Oh, that's, broccoli, yeah, I think I already said that. So yeah, that would be my fridge.